Hi, this is Bhavna and you're watching India Today. Today I'm joined by Survi Jyoti and Zen here. Firstly, a huge welcome.
Thank you.
How
Thank you
are
so much.
you?
Thank you so
We
much.
are good.
We
How
are great.
You
You tell me
so
how are
good
you?
to see you after so long.
I swear, right? It's been
Yeah.
long, but also it's been nice to see you in Guna finally after a long time, because I remember having this chat with you where you said that I don't want to take anything that is coming my way. I want to
Yeah.
wait it out. So when you get an opportunity to play someone as Griya Stara, where she's relatable for sure, but she's also not the most righteous person that you know.
Absolutely.
It is also a risk for an actor who has always been seen in a particular mold by the audiences,
Correct.
right? One, how do you see that? Do you also look at it as a risk, which you think is worth taking? Secondly, how do you draw a line, because a character like this can be looked at as a villain if not played right? How
Correct.
do you approach it then?
For me, Bhavna, that was the key. That was the main thing and the main reason why did I choose to play Tara, was how different and relatable she is from the rest of the character that I have played so far. Because she's not a typical heroine ki if she's being approached in a wrong way, she's just going to be good to you. No, she's going to be how she should be. एंड यू नो उसके फादर का बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस रहा है उसके ऊपर, और जो उसकी अपब्रिंगिंग में उसको सिखाया गया, शी इज़ अ गर्ल लाइक दैट. वो अपने वैल्यूज़ के हिसाब से काम करती है, जो उसको ठीक लगता है वो करती है. सो एज एन एक्टर इट वॉज अ वेरी beautiful feeling. It was very satisfactory for me to just perform and play something different.
Yeah.
I really didn't think of it as a risk,
Right.
but even if it's a risk, I would very willingly took it, and
Yes,
I
Guna,
would
आपको
say
कबूल
that
करती है।
absolutely I would take it again and again. Why? Because I knew that the audiences are also evolving.
Yeah.
You know, they are not the same that कि अगर कुछ they, of course they get connected to a character, but my point is that this is the job that I took, and as long as I'm performing that character nicely, they will love it. They are going to
Yeah.
love it no matter what. You know,
Correct.
and Tara to has a justification that, you know, why
Correct.
she is doing that, whatever
Yeah.
she is doing. So for me, I'm not going to shy away from saying that I got little selfish. And I was like, oh my God, this is a very different role. And when I read the role, when I heard the narration, I was so sure that I'm not going to let anybody else play Tara. Only I'm going to play it because it's a beautiful character.
Yeah, and I think as an actor, it is okay to be selfish also, because
Absolutely.
that is when you actually get an opportunity to explore.
Yeah.
Before I come to Zen, because you mentioned that you, as Tara, because you know what she's doing and you have a justification to it, it seemed like it is okay. But as an actor, is it important for you to have that explanation or justification in mind?
Absolutely.
Like, or is it because sometimes
Yeah.
some characters are villainous for no particular reason.
Then tell me that. Then tell me
But
that.
you would be okay doing
Absolutely.
playing that.
Oh, absolutely. Like, you know, if just to give you an example, if you come to me and say there is this character of Gone Girl, would you do it? Of course I will do it, because see, my point is that, you know, आप रोज एक सेम डिश नहीं खा सकते, right? So अगर आप सच में कुछ एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं as an actor, the only feeling that's going to satisfy you is to perform different characters.
Correct.
Like, you know, and I was in that space, and I was willingly taking that break and that time off, and I was waiting for a character who's little different, या जिसको करने में मजा है, right? I
Yeah.
didn't think of that I'll play a negative character or a grey character or a positive character. I will do something different or an important character. So, of course, it gave me immense satisfaction, you know, when I was on the set and when I was performing Tara.
I can see it on your face. You're just
Yeah.
like, oh wow, please keep this coming.
Oh, yes.
Because you are playing a character which on paper could seem like we don't know how much he has, how much scope he has to do, because eventually he turns into someone else who is really doing the physical work that is needed, right? Like the revenge, which is the main plot of this entire series. So what convinces you, or what do you look for in a script which makes you say yes? Because at least on script level it seems like पता नहीं ये character को कितना करने मिलेगा, because जो motive है of course जो शिवा के साथ हो रहा है उसके वजह से है, लेकिन जो कर रहा है मेन एक्शन, और लोगों की आदत ये होती है कि जो कर रहा है उसको ज़्यादा याद रखते हैं, जो मोटिव रहता है वो हमेशा भूल जाते हैं eventually. So what makes you say yes to a character like this?
That is the catchy part about this show, because the telling is so different, and that is what makes this show different from all the other shows that you were talking about. And obviously the references you are giving me are all about the shows that we have seen, and this is something that we have not seen. And especially the great part about this story is, like, in the first episode only you will get to know, even in the promo only we have revealed a lot that this has happened, right? But now, how did that happen is the question. And we know, and we are not, in this show we are not asking, we are not seeing ke, is he the villain, is Tara is the villain, is JK is the villain, is Michael is the villain, or if is this guy is the villain, like why is he doing that and what happened to him. It is about how it happened, why it happened, what were the circumstances. I was just saying, in this particular show there are no filler scenes at all. Like every scene, every single scene has a motivation, every single scene has a has a takeaway.
Yeah.
So if what you just said, I'll come back to that point, that people believe to watch the present more, but I think we have started the show only with the past, and the past itself is so intriguing. If the past is not good, if I am not doing a great job, if I am not doing justice to Shiva, then Abhimanyu will not work, because the core of the show is Shiva. Even if Shiva is not there, the show is about Shiva.
What is it that you discovered about yourself as an actor while working on this? Because I feel every project sort of leans in and lets you discover something,
That's
right?
what I believe, that every character leaves a big impact on yourself, and after one character ends, there is an end to your end to that part of you as well. So I think I have explored a lot of vulnerability in my in my demeanor, and I have seen how vulnerable I can be. I have seen that how much poised or how much lovable I can. Obviously, I am that person. That's why they have chosen me for this part, because somehow I was resonating with Shiva, and somehow I was Shiva. That's why they have chosen me for this part. And I think I am also somewhere down the line, I'm a lot Shiva, because I think that's how I am. That's how I process. So yeah.
But usually there has always been this at least image that people have of hero on screen, that vulnerable men being vulnerable on screen. Aaj to chalo, there is an audience and everyone wants to see men being vulnerable on screen as well. But for the larger part, we have not seen that. Is it difficult for you to? But कैसा होता है ना, जैसे camera, you know that there is a camera recording, and sometimes it's difficult to be vulnerable when you have so many people around.
No,
it's
not
just a
difficult.
minute.
It's not difficult, because we are actors, and we are born for that, and that's what we do for a living. And in terms of vulnerability, if you are talking about, it is not difficult for me, because I am a very emotional person in my personal life. I think that's why people cast me for these kind of roles, like in my previous show as well, for Disney Plus Hotstar again. So it was a very day-to-day, conventional hero, that broody, rude character, and how his emotional dilemma, how the society stops the boys to cry. So I am a guy that I always cry. I still cry in like small details. If I'll see a cat without a leg, if I'll see a dog being hurt badly, I'll just start crying. I am that person. If I'll watch Titanic for the 100th time, I'll still cry. I'm that kind of a person.
Yeah.
So I think because of that part, because of that emotional the thing inside me, that's why I think I can justify these characters. I can, and also I can, the great part about is that I can tell the world that guys should cry, and we should not put all the responsibilities on their shoulders. That I know it's a patriarchal society, and we live in a.
I didn't understand that why people were resonating with this statement so far. Just because a person is a guy or a man, that doesn't mean
the thing
that
is,
he can't cry.
the biggest problem is,
stupid,
the biggest problem is that if there is a boy in your family, I know that you're going to be so privileged, but after a point, there is that notion that you have to take care of us. you have to take care of us, and you owe your life to us. I really don't like that part. And also the responsibility is on your shoulders, and you have to, like, you know, take care of everything, and you can't cry. And that was my show. That was all my show was about. That guys cry. I have literally wept. I have cried, and trust me, at that time I was grieving. I lost my dad before that show, and that show has really helped me heal.
Yeah.
My previous show, because in every scene I was crying,
Yeah.
and crying really helps. And if you don't cry, I'm sorry, you're not a human being.
No, then there is something wrong.
There's
you are
something
not
wrong with you,
emotionally
because
evolved
see, we
properly.
are already in a very troubled society that people don't like guys crying. They just say, "करे क्या लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है?" You know, that's
तो
a,
वो स्टेटमेंट ही मतलब
Exactly my
really
point.
hate that statement.
Exactly
Like,
my point.
एक इसमें आप मर्दों को तो नीचे दिखा ही रहे हो, साथ में औरतों को भी दिखा
No,
रहे
my
हो.
point is
because
that
it's-
Exactly.
if you are not crying,
Yeah.
that means it doesn't mean that you are strong.
Yeah.
It means that
You're
you
stupid.
are emotionally not evolved.
Yeah.
You're
आपको
stupid.
emotionally
Yeah.
evolve होना पड़ता है. Like, you know, if you are feeling too much, if you are too happy, if you are crying,
Yeah.
if you are laughing out loud, that means you are emotionally evolved. You know,
Absolutely,
आपकी senses
absolutely.
खुली हुई है. That doesn't mean that you are less of a strong person or you are
Absolutely.
less of a man.
And I think
a
when
stupid
y'all are
notion.
getting to play characters like this, it really touches on those aspects, because a normal human being, a relatable human being is everything. They'll
Yeah.
cry at
Absolutely.
certain moments. They will also be like,
Yeah, like, you know how in this show, Tara is a girl who runs her family, who's very strong, who's emotionally also very content.
Yeah.
And it's not that, again, just because a person is a man, that doesn't mean he cannot cry. And just because a person is a woman, that doesn't mean she
She'll always
cannot.
cry, yeah.
She'll always cry, and she cannot
Yeah.
run her family, and she
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
take bold and big
And
decisions.
girls can take responsibility.
You know, and that's what
Yeah.
Tara is doing, you
Yeah.
know, whatever knowledge, whatever wisdom, and whatever understanding that she has of her life or
Yeah.
life in general, you know, she is behaving and working according to that.
Yeah, firstly, I really love this answer, because I completely understand where you all are coming from. जैसे उन्होंने कहा, sometimes working on a certain project can be cathartic, because it lets you sort of let go of certain emotions which perhaps कभी-कभी आपको पता भी नहीं होता कि आप एक baggage लेके चल रहे हो, but it helps you let go of that.
Absolutely, absolutely.
For you, has there been any moment or any moment on set on a particular day where you felt like, oh my god, maybe not cathartic,
Yeah.
not because not everyone is going through the same emotional wavelength at that
Yeah.
point, but something that you felt like, okay, I needed this
Yeah.
scene because it helped me personally.
I wouldn't say Bhavna, it was a scene. I think it was see, I'll tell again, I'm a very emotional person. I'm a crybaby. मैं कुछ अच्छा इमोशनल भी देख, मेरे आंसू मतलब it's
Drop
like
off a hat, हाँ.
it's like, you know, I can cry at any moment. If I'm happy, I can cry. If I'm sad, I'll cry. Okay, but it's a very recent realization that I have decided this for myself, that, you know, if I have lived a bad moment, I am not gonna relive that. That I have decided for myself.
Okay.
And this realization I've had during filming this show, that, you know, Tara had a very happy life, and then her father was a bad influence on her, and then her father comes back in her life. Then again she becomes very sad that why this person is back in my life, because he's gonna create trouble.
Correct.
So somehow it's not directly related to that. I've realized that, you know, if I have lived a moment, if a certain phase of my life was not happy, just because I'm a very emotional person, sometimes memory दोबारा से flash होती है, और वो क्योंकि I'm a very emotional and empathetic person, मैं खुद से ही सिंपैथी फिर से जताने लगती हूँ, और मैं खुद के लिए बैड फील करने लगती थी that oh my god, that was very wrong. But my point is that I've lived that. That is over. I'm not going to relive that again. So that I've decided for myself, and it's a very recent realization. And I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very strong. That oh my god, matlab I just realized that I am becoming even more stronger, and I am receiving more peace from the universe, because, you know, this is what I've decided for myself, that kuch bura ho gaya, wo ho gaya, that's in the past.
You've learned your lesson, and
I'm
now
not
let's
gonna-
move on.
Yes.
And I think that is amazing.
Yeah.
It's a great realization sometimes,
Absolutely.
right? I want to know what is that one thing, because I know we have taken a lot of leaps and bounds, बहुत strides ले लिया है in terms of how actors like you have been taken, where talent is being recognized. But is there still something that you hope people can finally, or you hope that changes in the coming time? in terms of maybe opportunities, in terms of how content is being seen or written?
हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that makers and people should be more visionary when it comes to giving opportunity to a certain actor. You know, talent shouldn't be platform bound, that if an actor has only worked in films, that means वो अच्छा actor ही होगा. You know, caliber के basis पे काम मिलना चाहिए, talent के basis पे काम मिलना चाहिए, and that's what happening right now. I believe that, you know, we are in a very good space where people are recognizing and noticing your caliber
Talent,
and
yeah.
talent. But if at all people are thinking कि just because a person has done television तो वो अच्छा actor नहीं होगा, then I feel bad for them, because
हो रहा है अभी भी?
if at all that's happening, I think that's very bad.
Okay.
Vision ki, I would say that's lack of vision.
Absolutely.
You know, but yeah, if at all that's happening, that should change. But otherwise, it's a very good space where everyone is getting work based out of the talent.
True.
Absolutely, I believe the same thing. Yeah, I mean, any platform, any project is you know, completely should be, you know, given on the merit basis and how much of the character you are in your real life. Like, I mean, if you are resonating with the character, like, you know, it's I was, you know, I just believe this thing that no matter how talented, popular, great performer, great dancer, whatever you are, but if you are not, if I am not Shiva, I am not perfect for this character. Like, no matter how great you are as an actor, no matter what platform, no matter what medium it is, even if it is a TV show, a web show, or a film, but if I don't fit the bill, and I don't think that is for me, then I think I that's for someone else. And so yeah, that's it.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so much.
Surbhi and Zen.
Thank you
It
so
was
much.
lovely.
Same here. Thank you so much.